So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how to install a component in KiCad IDE. In this we need symbol, footprint and 3D of the component. So I am going to download for the component SA4018SRWA. So in this we are having two things only, symbol and PCB footprint. I will attach this link in the description. So for 3D we need link to download. I will add this to in the link. So here the option is download SA40 model. When you click, this will start downloading. So it's downloaded in my system. Now let's download 3D model. So I'm using component search engine to install symbol and PCB footprint of the component. Now for 3D I'm using Snap Magic. So this is the model. Here now click on download 3D model. So it's get download. When you go to the download folder, here you will have a WinRAR zip folder and a step file. So extract this folder. So when you extract this, these files appear. So you can see there is a folder, and in this, if you are using KiCad, open KiCad, and here you will see a system. This is for symbol, and this is for a footprint. These are another files. So now open your KiCad software. Here create a file for the project. So now here click on schematic. So now to add the symbol of a component, here is a preference option. Click on preference, go to manage symbol libraries, click on this plus. Now click on this folder. So this is the symbol. Now click on OK. Now let's see the symbol is added or not. Now click on add symbol option. Type the number of the component, part number. So now you can see here we are having a symbol, but we are not having a footprint. So let's click on OK to add the symbol in this schematic. So now we will add the footprint, but the problem starts from here. Here you can see a KiCad _ mode, DCM _ SYM sim and other files. But for footprint we need .pretty file. So let's see how we have to create that folder. So now click on right click, click on new, create folder and give the name. So give this name .KiCad _ pretty, and this mod file cut from here and paste it in that folder. Now I have pasted. Now open this page of the KiCad. Go to the footprint editor. So when you open this footprint editor, go to the preference, click on manage footprint libraries, click on plus, then go to the folder, then select this file that we have created, .KiCad _ pretty. Single click on this folder and then go to the select folder, click on this. Now .pretty file is added for footprint. Click on OK. Now close the footprint editor. So now you can see the footprint of this component is added. But remember one thing, name must be same in every file, just like here SA40-18SRWA. If you change any of this, it will not show footprint. Now we will add 3D model in the component. Now click here, switch to PCB editor. Now click on update PCB from schematic. Here you can see it is added. Now double click on this footprint. Now we need to add 3D model. So click on this plus button and then come here, click on this folder and open that folder where we have saved that STP file, like here. Now we can see our 3D model is also added. Now we have to set this from this. Now see, we have successfully created symbol, footprint and 3D. Now click on OK. Now when I click on 3D view, so this looks like this. Symbol, edit symbol, we have added successfully library, print and 3D image and 3D view. So please subscribe this channel.